Hey guys, welcome to Tech Trick Tutorials. So this is a quick summarization of how to attain the Superhuman here in Blox Fruit, to attain it fast. So to get Superhuman in Blox Fruit, you'll absolutely need at least 300 mastery in Dark Step, Electric, Water Kung Fu, and Dragon's Breath. You also need to have like 300,000 in game currency by Superhuman, because you actually need to purchase this. And you need to talk to the martial arts master inside a snow mountain in the castle on the sea. Okay, so once you get there, you're going to need to talk to the he's going to be giving you a quest that you're going to be needing to achieve, and once you achieve it, you'll get Superhuman. So that's just it for the summarization. Thank you so much for watching Tech Trick Tutorials. You guys have a nice day.